Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change interface language on JVC Smart TV. To do this, first you'll need to click on the home button right here on your remote, and in case your TV is set in the language you don't understand, then just follow the buttons that I'm pressing. So first we're gonna navigate up to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, which should open the settings. Then on this new window we need to scroll down to device preferences. It has this screen icon next to it. Click on OK. Then scroll down to the globe icon, which should be a language. Click on OK. Then you'll be able to see the list of all language options available, and you can switch into any language you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.